Hello and welcome to Morse's Math Morsels. This is a continuation of the video from finding the geometric mean of 5 and 80, which we found earlier to be 20. Now we continue with one more little exercise. Find the geometric mean, or the GM, of 10 and 4 4/9. Ooh, fractions. Uh-oh. There could be a fractional geometric mean or a fractional ratio involved. But let's check it out, see what happens, what we get. In the earlier example, 5 and 80, I had multiplied the two quantities. Here I'm going to multiply the 10 by the 4 4/9. I'm going to change a 4 4/9 to an improper fraction from the mixed number form. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 4 is 40, so it's going to be 10 times 40/9, which equals 400/9. And then from the example of 5 and 80, I took the square root of that product. And this geometric mean, I claim, is 20/3. Or, as a mixed number, 6 2/3. I'm claiming 6 2/3 is the geometric mean. That equals the GM. Oh, how else can we check that? And what do we multiply 10 by to get 6 2/3? And then 6 2/3 times what? Will give 4 4/9. Well, we can do a division to find that ratio. I'm just going to write, I'm going to write the smaller number over the larger, 6 2/3, compared to 10 is, well, we can multiply top and bottom by 3, clear that 2/3 fraction. That's going to be 20/3 times 3. That's over 30, which equals 20/30ths, which equals 2/3. Well, 2/3 appears to be a ratio. Let's see if that's really true. I'm going to rub out the square root business over here and make some more room. I'm going to save that 2/3 and rub out this other work. I'm going to leave that fraction in form and saying this is 2/3. Hence, 10 times 2/3 will give that 6 2/3 geometric mean. So therefore, 6 2/3 times the 2/3 should equal 4 4/9. Let's see if it does. That changes to an improper fraction. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, so I have 20/3 and multiplied by 2/3. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator is 40/9. Change that to a mixed number, 4 4/9. It checks out. So 2/3 appears to be our ratio. And our geometric mean is 6 2/3. 10 times 2/3 gives 6 2/3. And then the 6 2/3 times that same constant ratio of 2/3 gives our 4 4/9. And we found our geometric mean. Thanks for viewing.